So that's the Scott 7.5 1960 model. Scott McCulloch. Low profile. You can see the top of the board that it's sitting on here would be the transom of the boat. So very little of it sticking up above the transom of the boat. Also makes it a bitch to work on. Every time you want to do anything to it, you got to take the power head off. So there's our pull to start, little choke, shifter up and down. These two buttons release the hood, so the hood comes off. That's the transom clamp there. But the cool thing about this, this is the plug-in for the fuel line. I actually swapped that and stole that off of an old Johnson outboard. Adapted it for this one. That's the Bail-O-Matic. You're supposed to be able to hook that to a little hose that goes into the bilge of your boat and it'll pump the water out of your boat. That's what's called a weedless lower unit. Everything is swept back so that it sheds, well, weeds, fishing line, whatever. Kind of cool. But here's the neatest thing that this thing does. I'm going to put the camera down. Doubt if you can see this, but I'm going to unscrew the thing from my motor stand and lift it off and set it down. Okay, so there sits the engine on the floor. It is made so that you can flip this tiller handle down, and then you grab your engine and the molded grip right there, pick it up and walk away with it. Put it in the trunk of your car. The back of the engine is made so that it stands up on the floor or in the trunk of your car. And under here, those are spare cotter pins and spare shear pins. For anybody old enough to remember what cotter pins and shear pins are for. Anyway, there's that trick with the tiller again. Now the tiller's up. I'm ready to put it back on the thingamajig, back on the stand.